Well, we start with the best shot. So there we are at 106 Homewood, and as you can see, it has a true backyard oasis. So had to start with that. Also, right out of the gate, got to give Donna Baldino a shout out. Clearly her listing, and it is a beautiful one. So take that in, and this is this is one of the best homes, in my personal opinion, in this area. And just so you don't know, on the quick boots, on the ground tour, when I go around and walk around the perimeter of the house, I'll point out a few things, but there are two people that I just recently sold homes to in this area, and quite a few more up and down the street, and I have one not far away. So really a great pocket of North Wilmington. As you can see the river there. I think when we spin around, you can almost see Philly and the bridge. I think you can get that in there, but really just a great spot, great convenience to 95, and you have a pool here. So best of both worlds there. And yep, definitely have a few more shots of that, and you'll see that. And by the way, I'm going to say it in the video, you have a bump out that's actually behind the garage that is fantastic for a makeshift office, or hey, you can finish it and make it a real office. But it's just a very unique space, and I know some people like to work on cars, but they don't have the extra space in a one-car garage. So do not be deceived. This is an oversized one-car garage to begin with, and then quite frankly, it has the bonus space. So definitely wanted to point that out. We are going to bring you back down, basically to ground level here. Still getting that pool in that shot. That is amazing. And that's it. Then we're gonna go through the house. We do have a finished basement here, but overall just very, very spacious. And here we go. So I will get you in right now. All right, 106 Homewood here in North Wilmington, listed by Donna Baldino. There you go. So great person, great agent, and great neighborhood. So I actually had a college friend one street over on Bet just buy. I think I sold that one and helped someone buy that one. So great neighborhood. Really used to be viewed as a starter home neighborhood here in Wilmington. But some of these are expanded and just great access to 95. And I gotta be honest, I'm a little bit partial. One of the first homes I bought was right around here. So there we go. Let's check out the outside before we hop in. So it looks like a newer 3D architectural roof. We do have the garage here. And again, take in the neighborhood, because you can see what some of them do. They add garages, they have bump outs, and just a lot of things you can do. So we'll look at the side here, and then we'll check out the other side. Japanese maple. And we're fortunate because the rain just stopped. I was at another one and it was pouring 20 minutes ago. All right. Fence in this side too. So fully fenced in yard. Looks like a newer carrier unit. Obviously do your own due diligence. But just here to give you some insight. Nice landscaping. Look at that. Beautiful shot. So we'll take you all the way around. Enough of an intro. Let's get you inside. So pavers here. Really wide walkway. And in we go. Keep shoes off. Hand sanitizer. Oh yeah. Look at this. Beautiful. So as soon as you come in, coat closet to the left here. Crown molding. And I've seen a few of these changed as far as what you can do inside. So always feel free to reach out. I think one of them we even have the 3D model. But here you go. Big kitchen. Wow. Really nice kitchen. Nice granite. Look at that. Hopefully you can see that. It's really nice with the backsplash. Whew. All right, little mini fan. I'll spin around and show that. Oh, check this out. Little mini fan. This is going to be the basement. And then this should be to the garage. Way it's set up. And it is a screen door. Looks like you have, oh, here we go. That's what I was talking about. So really, really big one-car garage. I'm guessing you pull in, you might come right to here. So let me spin you around. You're gonna have all this extra space, which is nice. And looks like they went out the back here and added this, which is, I'm gonna call a built-in shed. In this day and age, could very well be an office. You got a window in there. plenty of space. So that is excellent. And this, I don't have my shoes on, is your pool, which it's not raining, so I'm gonna fly, show you some of that, and show you more of this backyard from the skies. So that is fantastic. Not many pools here in North Wilmington. Definitely not around the $300,000 price mark. All right, so you're already seeing some of the highlights, but we're not done yet. Let's stay on one level so you can piece that together. Now these are pretty much standard. So you're gonna have your bedrooms over here. There you go. 1, 2, 3. And the bathroom. Here you go. Really nice plush carpet. Crown molding in here as well. Check out the windows in the other rooms. So, newer vinyl, double clasp. There's that shot of the pool. Wow. This is a good sized room. Closet over there. And then the corner room. There you are. Set up as an office, but certainly a bedroom. Ceiling fan, big window. Linen closet, and here is your full bath. So they did redo this. It's a walk-in, so no tub. There you are. I'll back you up. Now normally I think there's attic access here, but I didn't see it. So probably through one of the bedroom closets. I'll get you more information on that. But yeah, it shows really well. Let's see what the basement has to offer. So, that's a good utilization of space too. There we are. Down to the finished basement, which really makes this house much larger. Oh wow. Tiled area with that light. I bet you there's a pool table here. That would be my guess. Fantastic. So finished basement. Big room. So if you need it, I mean, it'd be a makeshift bedroom. Do your own homework. This is your electric water heater, Bradford White. And so you can kind of piece this together. That's the laundry room, which we'll see from a different angle. And by the way, I'm 5'10", so I don't feel, I got plenty of space here. I'll show you. Oh, wow. They really did partition this in a very nice way. Look at this. There's your carrier unit. Matches the unit outside. Looks like we have service records there, I believe. I'll double check. Obviously, everything I say here is my opinion. Just let's be clear. So water coming in, main water line, sump pit, and it just rained a whole heaping lot. So it is, I mean, based on this video, it's dry. So take that for what it's worth. I like what they did here. Did a good job. All right, then this, whew, I wonder what they had intended for this. I mean, this could almost be a kitchenette. If somebody really wanted to. Now here I will tell you I probably have, I don't know, 7 inches because this drops down. So, yeah, it probably drops down 6 inches. So I have well more than a foot right now. Again, just trying to make you feel like you're here without being here. All right, so let's piece this together. Cool. So there is an oil tank. And let me see if there's a light switch. That always does help. All right. Drain line. All right. Let's back out. Now, I do know on Homewood, on the other house, they had gas. So I do believe the gas lines are in. I'll have to check that for you and see what they're doing here. Yeah, they split it up nice. Here's the laundry room. Remember, we saw the water heater there. And if I can reach, there's your panel. Looks like 150 amp service. There you are. And there you go, you can see. Electric dryer. Beautiful. Really a beautiful basement. So, there you are. I don't think we left anything unturned. Checked out everything. But really, in the beginning of this video, I think I added some drone footage. And quite honestly, at the end, I'm going to add some too. So, be ready for that. Some of these are tricky, I do know that. Let's just get that straight on shot. Beautiful screen door. Look at that. Fantastic. With an awning. Awesome. Let's lock it back up. And that's it. So, really nice house. beautiful, actually. You gotta pull that up and turn. That's always the trick. All right, recessed lighting in here, crown molding. Oh, that's interesting. I actually have a window to the garage. Very cool. I know my uncle would love that. Be in the kitchen staring at his car. All right, so that's it. Tell you what, I'm gonna leave you with this view, and then we're gonna take right back to the skies.